looks like it's nice one.
But you, sorry mate. You're all right?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. I wanted the back, I wanted Jaguar. Mine's the old Rover V8 engine. Is this old school stuff? Yeah.
No, you can.
Yeah. DAC chassis. Jaguar running here.
It does look the part. That's what I'm saying. It's true. It's got a Cobra.
Well, I mean, I never built it. Obviously, I bought it built, which is always a risk.
Yeah.
But it was the right colour, the right engine. I wanted the Rover engine.
Yeah.
Right running gear.
Sorry, mate.
So it's and it sounds the part. You tend to hear it before you see it.
It does look good.
Yeah, and I mean the Rover. It's an easy engine to maintain. Part-wise, these are getting a little bit sought after, these SUs. But you can get a conversion kit with Hollies on it.
Yeah.
Matey did say to me, he said if you ever see them for sale,
Hollies are better than AFG.
I'll tell you what, the people I speak to, I've had no problem with it, touch wood, with them. I've had it a year. Some people